JavaScript is the world's most popular and highly paid programming language. It works both as a front-end and the back-end programming language. We can create web applications, mobile applications, and the real-time chat applications using JavaScript. There are two ways to use JavaScript. We can place the script tags inside the same HTML document, or we can also create the external JavaScript file. In the HTML document, we need JavaScript code inside the script tags. We can place these script tags inside the head section or inside the body as well. Here I have used a JavaScript code alert. Alert will show a pop-up box on your web page with the hello message. Right click on your document anywhere and click on the open with live server. Here is the pop-up box that is created using the alert. We can also place the script tags inside the body. This is the most recommended method to use the script tags inside the body. To add external JavaScript file, place a script tag at the end of the body with the source attribute. Inside the source attribute, set the path of the JavaScript file. I'm going to name here app.js, the file I have not created yet. You can place the name first and create the file then. Here will be a create file option. You can click on this button and a JavaScript file app.js will be created. There are multiple ways in JavaScript to display output. First one is document.write. Write here document.write. Inside the parentheses, write inverted commas, and inside the inverted commas, write the text whatever you want to be printed on the screen. Whatever we are going to write inside these inverted commas will be printed as it is, and whatever we write inside the inverted commas is known as the string. Don't forget to put the semicolon at the end of the JavaScript statement. Here is the output. We can also combine two statements by placing the plus sign between these two. Plus sign is known as the concatenation sign in the JavaScript. We can also embed any HTML tag inside the JavaScript code. Just here after the concatenation sign, put the inverted commas and place the tag inside those inverted commas. In this way, we can use any HTML tag inside the JavaScript. We can also place separately, like just write document.write, put parentheses inside the inverted commas, place the tag. Don't forget to put the semicolon at the end. We can also calculate any values. If you want to calculate any numbers, like I have written here to multiply by 5, just place the numbers without inverted commas, because if you will be putting these inside the inverted commas, these will be printed as it is, it won't calculate the values. We can comment out any statement in the JavaScript by putting the double forward slash before the statement. So now the second way to display the output in JavaScript is the console.log. Console.log is the method that will show the display that will display the output in the console of the browser. Every browser has the built-in JavaScript console. So here in the console.log, just put the parentheses and write inverted commas. Inside the inverted commas, place whatever you want to be printed or want to be calculated. Now just render the output. Go to the browser, right click anywhere, click on the inspect, and here in the console you can see the output. We can also write directly code in the console like this. Write the code, click enter, and here is the output. Writing code in the console will help you to find the errors very easily. Now the third way to display output is the alert. Alert is the keyword. You need to write it in the small letters because JavaScript is the case sensitive language. So just write alert inside the parentheses, put inverted commas, and write whatever you want to be printed in a pop-up box. So here is the output. alert will show you a message in this way. Now the fourth way to display output in the JavaScript, that is the inner HTML. First of all, we need to create any tag inside the HTML document. Here I'm going to create h1 with the ID as the head. I won't be writing anything inside the head tag. I will be placing the text here using the JavaScript code. So how to do that? Just write here the code document.getElementById. Element first letter E should be capital, same with the by and the ID, and put parenthesis inside the curly commas, write the ID, that is the head ID. So here what will happen? It will find the element that is with the ID head. Now just write here dot inner HTML. So put equal to sign inside the inverted commas, whatever you want to be printed inside that element that is with the head tag. So this is our fourth way to display. It was all for the lecture number 1. If you have any query, you can place it inside the comment section. See you in the next lecture. Bye bye.